Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. We are here on site in the project outside of Nashville with the Focal 1000 series. We just wrapped up a video on how to install the Focal 1000 in-wall utopias for the LCR. Now we're going to take a stab at installing the IW6 in the 1000 series. This is a rear left surround channel. We're going to walk you through start to finish on how to install it, and we're going to get into it right after the intro. As you can see, this project we used the Focal 1000 series in-wall brackets during the pre-construction phase. We have an install video on that as well. But since we did that, this install is going to be pretty straightforward. So as you can see, we have some insulation here around the edges. It's not going to be an issue. We went ahead and put a dampening pad of automobile insulation on there to help with some of the reverberation on the drywall on the other side. But now it's time to do the installation. So first thing we're going to do is prep the area. You're going to go ahead and break off the, basically these are just little tabs for you to run your wire to and loop it and keep it out of the way for whenever they're doing drywall. But those will need to come out prior to installation. So they'll break off really easy. They're meant to break off. Then we're going to go ahead and prep the speaker wire. So what I like to do is just get a fresh new cut on the speaker wire itself. Voila. This is a really easy, great speaker cable to use from us, from WirePath. What I do is like to split the ends there, pull the string, and now you can just tear the jacket back like so. Go ahead and pull the red and black out and peel it back some more. Just going to grab my pliers and cut off the excess there. Voila. And then we have a drill to actually do the installation with a Allen key bit for the Focal speakers. So this is really nice. This is from DeWalt. Very low torque, so you're not going to strip anything out with these. So you can keep it like a pistol, tighten, loosen, or you can keep it like a traditional screwdriver. So very handy. Makes quick work of these type of installs. These are some self-adjusting wire strippers. You just put it in, voila. Get that little cable out of there. Slide it in, boom. All right. Pick up my trash as I go along. Then I just like to give a small twist to the copper ends here. That way as you're sliding it into the push terminals, just makes everything a little easier. And voila, it's about a 1/2 inch, a little more on the red, but all fine. So we're gonna leave that hanging there. We're gonna go get the speaker, and voila, now we have the speaker. So we're gonna open it up. We've already done an unboxing on this speaker. If you guys have not seen that, make sure to look back on our channel. We have done the unboxing for the Focal 1000 IW6. But here's the speaker itself. Beautiful. Just gonna take the plastic off of it. And voila. And here are the little push terminals. So you have your red and black. Very simple. So all you're doing is you're pushing the push terminal down and then sliding the speaker wire through it, just like so. All right. I'll make sure the black one has a good connection as well. Try to show it better on camera. Voila, just like that. I'll turn the speaker, flip the orientation of the speaker here, and make sure the speaker wire's pushed in, and just set the speaker into the hole. Voila, just like that. Super simple. Gonna go ahead. I'm not tightening these all the way. I'm gonna hand tighten to finish. You can hear when this thing is getting tighter, and that's about when I'm stopping, so I'll let you listen here. See how it hears? And there we go. It's gonna get a little deeper twice. 1, 2, right there. Perfect. Then we're going to get the little Allen key and finish hand tightening this unit. Perfect. There we go. That one's got tight on its own. And there we go. And since the install is not quite 100% complete yet, there's still some things going on in the room. We're gonna finish this up by, pointing the tweeter at the listening position. We'll get that dialed in during calibration. But for now, we're gonna put on these construction brackets to help keep the dust off of the speaker. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Pretty simple. We do have the speaker grill that does get magnetized on the top of that. Those are 100% paintable, and that's actually where they're at right now. So we're getting those painted to match the wall color. We're gonna paint the side surrounds gray. Obviously, the front LCRs will be painted black, and then the ceiling grills will be painted black as well. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you guys are interested in anything you see in our channel, home theater or audio related, be sure to give us a call. We would love to help you out in choosing which equipment would work best for your space. And if you're interested in these Focal 1000 series, stay tuned, because we're gonna have more videos on the way demonstrating our thoughts on the type of quality that you can expect from the Focal 1000 series. But that's all for today. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.